Oh, are you kidding me? This is like an entirely new range of laptops. Lenovo's all new Lock Gaming series. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super interesting because as I've told you, we have something entirely new from Lenovo over here. This is the brand's newest entry-level mainstream gaming laptop, sort of like a mid-range segment I would say, and falls just under their Legion series laptops guys. And this is their all-new Lock Gaming laptop. Today we actually have the unit in the house and we'll be unboxing and I'll be sharing my complete experience on this model. So the brand's main objective of this series was to offer like high performance at an affordable price tag for all the people out there. So I'm like quite curious guys. It offers like really good specs. You're getting like next gen Intel's 13th gen CPUs on board with up to Nvidia RTX 4060 GPU, and not only that, some of the elements like key design language and all of that are borrowed from the premium Legion series. Pricing is also like quite attractive, I would say. Pricing starts at only around 74,990 rupees. I'll give you all the details at the end of this video. So let's get started. So our brand new Lenovo's Lock Gaming laptop came in this sort of box packaging, and the model we'll be checking out today is 15IR-H8. This is actually like a top-end variant in this lineup and packs like really interesting hardware on board guys. Packaging is like pretty simple, I would say, just the Lenovo branding and mentions Lock series, and at the back you have all the specifications mentioned. Let me give you a closer look and talk about that. You're getting a 15.6 inches WQHD display with an IPS panel and up to 165Hz refresh rate with G-Sync support also. And on board you are getting Intel's 13th gen i7 paired with Nvidia RTX 4060 GPU. This one is a 16GB DDR5 RAM edition and has like 512GB PCI Gen 4 NVMe SSD. So those were the main specs and highlights. Now there's nothing much to unbox over here guys, so let me quickly show you the contents of the packaging. There you go, this is our brand new laptop and here's how it looks like, our very first look and hands-on on the Lenovo Lock Laptop 2023. It comes in this beautiful storm grey color with blue accents and kind of looks pretty interesting guys. We'll come and talk about the design in a moment. Along with that, you also get a 170 watt slim power adapter for charging and a mains cord for the adapter. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you like a closer look at the laptop and talk about the all new design language and also build quality and its configuration. Initial impressions, I have to say, it doesn't look like an entry level laptop. Definitely looks and feels like a premium model and borrows lots of design language and elements from the bigger brother Legion series laptop. It has a very clean and minimalistic look and comes in this Storm Grey edition, and love the matte finishing over here guys. It has a new soft edge design with a muted matte finish on the front, and you just have the Lenovo metal logo to the top left followed by Lock branding on the bottom right corner. There are no RGB elements over here, but I do have to mention laptop build quality is like solid guys. Entire chassis is made of like high quality polycarbonate material, and good thing is since it has like a matte finish on the top lid, right, it doesn't seem to attract much of fingerprints also. If you ask about the weight, obviously it's a gaming laptop and it's around like 1 inch thickness and weighs around like 2.4 to 2.5 kgs depending on GPU configuration. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look all around and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. Starting off from the left side, and oh, you absolutely cannot miss out that beautiful exhaust vent guys. Look at that. Blue finish paint job, looks really beautiful over here, followed by a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port is available that even supports like DisplayPort 1.4 and PD charging as well. You also have a 3.5mm audio jack. There is nothing on the front side, and going to the right side over here, you've got one more exhaust vent with that blue accents, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port is there, and a privacy e-shutter for the webcam, and the remaining ports are situated at the back profile of the laptop. At the center, you're getting two USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports available, full-sized Ethernet is also there, HDMI port is also available, followed by a DC in for charging. That's it, these are all the available connectivity ports. And moving on, here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. Okay, I have to say there's a huge air intake over here with lots of vents and cutouts for air circulation. We'll have to see how the thermal performance of this laptop is going to be. You have rubber foot pads on all the corners, and you see this tiny speaker grills over here. The laptop comes with like stereo speakers, 2 watts into 2, so totally 4 watts of output, and that too optimized by Nahimic Gaming Audio. If you talk about the hardware upgradability part, both RAM and storage are upgradable. You're getting 2 RAM slots, but both of them are already occupied over here with 2 8GB RAM sticks. So totally we are getting like 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and storage side also you're getting two M.2 slots. So you can expand the storage up to 1 TB. So that's it about the exteriors. Now let me quickly open up the laptop and show you how the interiors look like. So starting off from the upper half section, first of all I have to mention it's available in like different display panels. You get a 1080p edition and 1440p edition. Today in the house we have the top end variant which features a 15.6 inch 1440p WQHD variant IPS panel with up to 165Hz refresh rate and also G-Sync support. If you look at the bezels are quite thin on the sides, but on the bottom you do have a bit of chin. At the top you're actually getting a 1080p webcam with privacy e-shutter function also. I've shown you during the IO part, right? And that is pretty much it about the upper half section. And coming to the lower half section, there you go. Here's how it looks like. Wow, I'll just give you like a closer look and talk about the keyboard and touchpad as well. So Lenovo's Lock laptop features a 4-zone RGB backlit full-size chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is very good over here. Lenovo has not compromised anywhere, guys. You're getting like a desktop inspired layout, and main highlight over here is it retains those dished out keycaps from the Legion series, guys. This gives you like a much more comfortable experience while typing. And also keycaps and key quality is also good. Feel tactile and clicky. And yes, you can easily adjust the whole backlighting. Plus, you can even apply like different RGB lighting effects using Lenovo's Vantage software. Now coming over to the touchpad, good quality touchpad. It's a premium glass covered touchpad. It had no issues detecting my inputs and was easily following all my gestures and commands. And the quality of the integrated buttons are also nice, tactile and clicky. So moving on, let's talk about the display quality. First of all, I've told you, right, this one features like a 15.6 inches WQHD 2560 by 1440 IPS panel with up to 165Hz refresh rate and also supports like 100% sRGB color gamut range. Very good quality display for the price that you're paying. There's good amount of detail. Come on, 1440p at 15.6 inches, definitely good DPI level. Everything was looking crisp and clear, either it be web pages or even any sort of entertainment media consumption content as well. You'll be like really happy and satisfied with the panel. Colors were also nice because it's an IPS panel, right? Color reproduction, color accuracy, everything were like on point, and you'll have like a blast watching web series or maybe like movies on Netflix and Prime Video. If you talk about the contrast levels, decent contrast levels and black levels also, and brightness of the panel was also like sufficient. It's around like 350-400 nits and gets your job done in most of the situations and scenarios. And good thing is it also has anti-glare coating which cuts down all those unnecessary reflections and minimizes all sorts of glares when you're watching the display. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the speakers, right? You're getting stereo down-firing speakers, each of 2 watts, so totally around like 4 watts of output, that too optimized by Nahimic Gaming Audio, and speaker quality was definitely good. It was producing crisp and clear vocals, clarity was nice, decent treble as well, and overall experience was pretty fine for the price that you're paying. Now moving on, let's finally get into the benchmarks and performance part. But before that, let me quickly brief you up on the specs. Our Lenovo Lock gaming laptop is powered by Intel's 13th Gen i7. Intel's 13th Gen mobile processors are based on their performance hybrid architecture, built on the Intel 7 process, and offers 2 types of special cores that deliver next gen performance. You get something known as P cores and E cores. P cores or performance cores maximize single threaded performance and responsiveness of the laptop, while E cores or efficient cores take care of the scalable multi-threaded workload or tasks running in the background. So both these set of cores work seamlessly within the operating system using Intel's thread director that automatically assigns the right task on the right core at the right time. Our laptop features Intel's 13th Gen i7 13620H, which is a 10-core 16-thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 4.9 GHz, and pair that with Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4060 8GB edition, you can do some excellent 1080p gaming over here. That too with ray tracing and DLSS enabled. I've been using it for almost 10 days now, and overall performance was great. It can easily handle demanding and heavy workloads also, like even if you want to do like 4K video editing, color grading, or any other productive sort of works like that, nothing to worry about. It can handle it like a breeze. I even ran like a couple of benchmarks. Just have a look at them. And coming to the gaming performance, we will be playing some brand new 2023 games to put this machine to a test. Right now, as you can see, we are playing Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart at 1080p resolution with high graphics preset, and as you can see, RTX and DLSS, all these Nvidia technologies are turned off. In this first test, I want to show you like the raw potential of the hardware, and as you can see, on an average, we were getting around like 60 to 65 FPS. It's a very graphic intensive game, and being able to maintain such a consistent 60 60 plus FPS is actually a good sign. And by the way, I forgot to mention the system thermal mode right now is set to performance preset at GPU's max 115 TGP to offer best possible results. Not just Ratchet and Clank, I've also played like other titles as well, like Assassin's Creed Valhalla at 1080p high settings and was getting around 50 to 55 FPS. Far Cry 6 was easily hitting over 90-95 FPS, and e-sport titles like Valorant were running around 250 plus FPS. Buttery smooth gaming experience so far on this laptop. But the biggest question is, can it actually handle ray tracing? So let's quickly enable ray tracing, both reflections and shadows set to high. And mind you, in this test DLSS is off. And there you go, as you can see right now we were getting an average of around 45 to 48 FPS. Very much playable, I would say. But here comes the actual magic, guys. At the same settings, 1080p, high graphics with ray tracing, when you enable DLSS 3.0 and frame generation, bam, immediately noticeable difference. We were getting a consistent 60 to 65 FPS even with ray tracing enabled. And by the way, guys, are you looking at those thermals? Lenovo's actually done a good job on this model. It comes with a dual fan setup with 4 heat pipes and features large air vents all around the body. And because of that, the thermals were very well controlled on this model. Even after intense gaming sessions for an hour, the CPU temperature was fluctuating around like 70-72 degrees centigrade, which is great considering it's a laptop. Though I have to say fan noise was a bit high, especially considering in the performance mode profile. The laptop actually features Lenovo's AI Engine Plus to dynamically tune the GPU wattage and manage optimal thermal performance while gaming. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the pricing and other details as well. This one's something new. Lenovo is actually offering custom to order build option as well, exclusively through their website lenovo.com. You people can custom build your own Lenovo gaming laptop with the choice of your configuration and get it delivered within 25 days of placing the order. And one more good thing is the device also comes with Lenovo's premium care customer support service. So if you're facing any sort of issues or problems, Lenovo's expert technicians will address all of those consumer related queries for you. You can check out their link for more details, which is available in the description box below. Plus, you do have some cashback and exchange programs available as well. Don't miss them out. Well, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got full information on this new model. And coming to the pricing details, pricing starts at around 74,990 and goes up to like 99,990 depending on the variant and configuration. You can easily order it from their website lenovo.com. Link for that is also available in the description down below. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.